Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to activate Conda Environment in Visual Studio Code. The first method is using Conda Navigator. Ensure that Vscode is closed before proceeding, and launch Conda Navigator on your system. From the drop-down menu list, select the environment you want to use in Vscode. Wait for the process to complete once you have selected your environment, and click the Launch button under Vscode to open it in the selected environment. In Vscode, create any Python script, and it will automatically run in the selected Conda environment. Open a new terminal within Vscode and type Conda and hit Enter on your keyboard. The Conda environment is now active and working in Vscode. The second method is using Command Palette in Vscode. Click on the View tab in Vscode and select Command Palette. Alternatively, press Ctrl+Shift+P on Windows or Shift+Command+P on Mac. In the Command Palette, search for Select Interpreter. Click on Python Select Interpreter. Carefully select your Conda environment from the list and open a new terminal Vscode. Type Conda and hit Enter. And done, the Conda environment is now active and functioning in Vscode. Third method is to manually enter the interpreter path. Firstly, minimize Vscode and search for Conda Navigator on your system. Right-click on Conda Navigator and select Open File Location. Right-click on Conda Navigator again and select Open File Location. Scroll up until you see the envs folder. Open it to see the list of Conda environment folders. Click on the blank space on the address bar to see the full path. Note down the path to Conda environment folder. Now, go back to Vscode. Open the Command Palette by clicking View, Command Palette, or pressing Ctrl+Shift+P. Search for Select Interpreter and click on Python Select Interpreter. Click Enter Interpreter Path, Find. Navigate to the path you noted earlier and select Python. Open a new terminal in Vscode and type Conda and hit Enter. The Conda environment is now active in Vscode. And now the last and fourth method, which is Quick Python version selection. In the bottom left corner of Vscode, click on the Python version displayed. Choose your desired Conda environment from the list and open a new terminal in Vscode. Type Conda and hit Enter. And it's easily done. The Conda environment is now active and ready to use in Vscode. So this tutorial provides multiple methods to activate and use a Conda environment in Visual Studio Code, depending on your preferences and system setup. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.